Hey, good morning. Happy Sunday. This morning I got a call from Charlie Brown, and yes, that's his real name, Charlie Brown. He's also a very good puller as well. We're going to Cedarvale, kind of by Egan. And I got Ray Lissy with the national team coming out. If you guys want to come bowl with us, come on out. We're gonna work on some things. Probably try to be in striking distance at least. Today we're bowling for this string thing, and here's my competition for the day. I think he's gonna beat me, but hopefully I can get in better striking distance. Yeah, we're out here at Cedarvale. We got Charlie Brown and Ray Lissy, and I'm the one striking out. Oh wow, what a game. We bowled 8 games, and 2 people won 2 nice things. It was a chamois, a ball wiper, and then a little backpack. It was pretty cool. We had Charlie Brown chasing on the 7th frame, cops come busting in, and they split up the frame. Whoa! Charlie Brown.